Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and hopefully helpful Corvette stuff. I've got two exciting things to talk to you about today. One of them is a super cool, scary lighting discount on our LED lighting, and another one is introducing a new C&S product that we have been working on for 2 years, and I'm super stoked to share it with you. Let's get into it. So we're moving into the spooky season here. Halloween is tomorrow, or probably today if you're watching the video. And in honor of Halloween and festive lighting, I am putting up our LED lighting, much of what we have, at a 15% discount. And I've kind of done it in a fun way. When you go to our website and you look at the different LED lighting we offer for the C5, the C6, or the C7, certain items in the title of that item, you're going to see three little ghosts, just like Tony is showing you here. If those three little ghosts are there, that item is eligible for a 15% discount beginning tomorrow, which for you guys will be today, October 31st, and running through the end of November. When you go in and you select that product and you go to checkout, there's a little discount code window that you type in the following: Scary 2025. As long as you type in Scary 2025 on an item with the three little ghosts in the title, you will get 15% off of that item. You're still getting free shipping. You're still not paying any credit card fees. So this is a very nice, very real discount for you and a chance for me to clear off a little shelving space for some of the new product that I have coming in, including the product that I'm going to talk to you about next. So remember, look for the three little ghosts, C5, 6, and 7 LED lighting, and Scary 2025 as your discount code. You know, here at C&S Corvettes, we pride ourselves on coming up with products that solve problems, like the seat track stuff for the C5, the horn contact membrane for the C5, and of course, the shifter harness upgrade for the C6 automatic shifter. Because we've been doing so much with the C6 shifters for several years now, one of the things we noticed that was a real weak point was the automatic shifter knob on the 2006 through the 2013 Corvettes. Not only was it a weak point because the little silver plastic cap that retains the actuator button would wear out with age and break and your shifter wouldn't work anymore, GM also made two different versions of that shifter, the only difference being one had like a dot matrix silver trim on the early iterations and a satin silver trim on the later ones. The shifter knob itself never changed, and more importantly, it never improved. It still had the same structural issues over time. So in order to address that problem, we have spent the last 2 years developing an excellent high-quality replacement for the C6 automatic shifter knob. And this is what we've come up with. This is our brand new, just for you, C6 automatic shifter knob. Let me walk you through some of the features. We have nice stitching down both sides here of the leather, full grain leather. And importantly, you'll notice this little, which would have been silver, this little plate on the originals is actual carbon fiber. It isn't flashed, it isn't dipped. This piece here is real carbon fiber. And it's probably hard to see at this distance, but you can actually see the depth of it and the individual fibers. It is really, really nice. And importantly, the actuation of this button, which your shifter won't come out of park if it doesn't work, has been improved. It's got a nice rebound and feel to it. And this installs just like the factory shifter knob did. We'll have a video coming out next week showing the simple process of taking your old shifter knob off and replacing it with this one and how to lock on the shifter boot. That's in a second video. But I wanted to show you this today because I'm so excited about it. Now, this is our base product with the black stitching. This knob is $141.10 shipped to your door anywhere in the United States. If you want one of these and you are outside of the United States, email me at lyle@corvettepartscenter.com and I can get you a shipping quote and we'll happily get one of these to you as well. We also have options. We know that some of you guys like to kind of customize your car to you and make it a little bit different, a little bit special. So we did the stitching on these knobs in 3 different colors to match the factory interior. We did the cashmere tan, as you can see the stitching on both sides. We did the red, as you can see, and we did the light gray. So these guys, same great construction, same amount of development, just a little bit of highlighting on the stitching. These do carry a bit of a premium, $161.10 for any of the colored ones shipped to your door anywhere in the United States. I'm just really excited about them. I wish I had a C6 automatic of my own so I could put it in it, because I would love to have the custom stitching, but that's just me. These do exist. They are available in limited quantities to begin with, so if you're really wanting the colors, grab them quickly, because I will be doing a lot more colors on my second run of these. I just kind of did these in limited runs to explore how popular they were going to be. So if you want colors, order them now, and that will help me to learn that I need to make more colors. And this is a brand new GM shifter assembly, which I have used and the team here has used to do the test and fitting and the R&D on these knobs. As you can see, we have the carbon fiber knob installed here, and the actuation works very nicely. Everything works as it should. It's very solid, feels great in your hand. I can't tell you how happy we are with the outcome on this. Again, 2 years of hard work to get it this good, but it solves a problem, and this is something that will make your car really enjoyable to drive, reliable to get in and out of park in conjunction with our shifter harness and the addition of that really nice actual carbon fiber. I will tell you this, if you have a Corvette or you have someone in your life who you love that has a Corvette, specifically a C6 automatic, this knob makes a great Christmas gift. Here's why. So much of the things that you get people, I get them, presents for people, they give me presents, we're like, oh, that's neat, and you put it in a drawer. Because of how easy it is to change these out, this is something they're actually going to use. It's something that they're actually going to touch and see every day when they drive their Corvette. This isn't a throwaway gift. It is actually going to be used. So there's a lot of value there in that. And I love items that have value for what you pay, improve your car, and make you smile. And that's what we're trying to do here. So these are now available on our website. There's a link in the description below the video. And just if you have questions about them or anything, let me know. Again, the how-to video will be coming out very shortly. And well, that's pretty much it. 2 exciting things. So LED lighting and new shifter knobs. Let's make it happen.